Instagram Trends, episode 3. It's gonna be a good one. So yeah, there's a few little steps we have to do first. So yeah, let's hop to the desk. I'll show you that, and then we're actually gonna go outside and I'm gonna shoot as well. So yeah, let's let's get into these steps. Okay, to do this, you need 4 things, maybe 3, maybe 4, I can't remember. But first, a camera. This is a Canon. We don't need a Canon, we need something else, but I've got a fix for this. You need tape, you need some scissors, you need a pen. That's all you need. Perfect. Okay, so we're on location. So pretty much all you need is a car like this Ferrari right here and a cool location. What we do is we get our Sony right here and we're gonna shoot that. So yeah, I'll set it up and I'll show you what to actually do. Okay, so you wanna click this little wheel just here to the M. That means manual. Okay, and then over here, the settings. We wanna put this all the way up to probably the highest you can go. And you wanna put this shutter all the way up. That'll shoot the crispiest image possible. So yeah, let's shoot this and see what it does. So we've put the settings in, and let's see what that looks like. It should be black, the screen should be black. If it's black, you're on point. If it's too light and you can see the car, you've done it wrong. So yeah, change your settings, just scroll it all the way up so it's black. That's what we want. So, okay, here's Lightroom. Let's open it up. This shot, bangs, fire emoji. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Import that. All right, we'll come up to develop this. So if we pull up the exposure, yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. And we'll bring up the shadows a little bit too. Highlights as well, make that car pop. And we'll pull up the clarity. Yeah, we'll pull up the clarity. Chuck a bit of dehaze in there. Vibrance, no, I don't want any of that. Saturation, a little bit, just make that Ferrari pop out. And a little bit of white balance, a little bit of tint, and look at that. That was what, 30 seconds, not even that, and it is perfect. Look at that image. Bloody hell. Genius. I'm an absolute genius. So yeah, that's it. Back to Alex in the studio. There we have it. You now know how to use Lightroom to just take your photo from black to next level, and pretty much as soon as you post that on Instagram, it's going to be like bang, 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 your likes. I can't even explain it. I'm lost for words. It's an incredible process, and I wish I'd been doing it sooner, really. So yeah, I hope this helped. Can't wait to see your images, and yeah, until next time, I've been Alex, you've been the audience. See you later. And just one. This is a joke. Please take this as a joke. Don't take this seriously. The Sony joke. I'm filming on a Sony. I shoot on a Canon. I actually want a Sony. So yeah, this is a joke. Just don't worry. I'm joking here. So yeah. See you next time.